Hey! In this video, I'm going to show you how you make my Vesuvius biscuits. Little biscuits that I've called the Vesuvius biscuit because they look like a mountain and they've got a little cherry on top, which is like lava. And me and my wife got engaged on Mount Vesuvius, which I would say to you probably don't do because it's full of tourists and it's possibly the busiest place you've ever been, except for a shopping precinct pre-COVID Christmas Eve. So, all that aside, these are the most simple biscuits you're ever going to make in your entire life. It's based around traditional macaroon, but instead of using roasted coconut and all those flavors, this is almonds, raisins, cinnamon, and you get that mega tacky texture to it, and they're superb, and I'm really proud of them. So I hope you make them, and I'd love to see some that you've made, because I literally invented this recipe and it's well fit to eat. So good luck, happy baking. Okay, so weigh out 100 grams of almonds and coarsely grind them into a nice meal like that and put it in a tub. Then get an egg white, 25 grams worth ish if you can. Get about 15 plump juicy raisins and chop them up as finely as possible. Add 80 grams of icing sugar, sift it through into the almond meal, 80 grams. Add those raisins, add a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. I ground my own because that's what I'm all about. Just get some cinnamon powder. You need 12 grams of apricot jam. You must put that in. If you don't get that nice gloss colour at the end. It really adds to it. So that, and then that egg white, add it in, mix it with the back of a spoon, turn it into a paste. There you go, that's it basically. Just mix that into a thick paste. You can either teaspoon that onto a silicone mat or pipe it in. Very quickly I showed you the nozzle that I used to get those lovely roses, and this is how you get the Vesuvius biscuit look, because it looks like a little mountain leading to the top, and then you put a cherry on it. So pipe them into 4 little Vesuvius mountains or volcanoes. Put the hot lava on top, or should we call it a cherry? And then I got some halve some almond flakes and put them around the top just to make it a bit more like, I don't know what amount of a volcano, really. Doesn't quite look like it, but and there you go. Bake it 190 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes until they look like that, and then scrape them out using a decorator's trowel like I have, and then leave them to cool on the side, and voila, you've got the Vesuvius biscuit. Cinnamon inside, tacky like a macaroon, but so unbelievably easy to make, and I hope you enjoy them. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will make more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.